So let's move on. Another problem. Problem number 6. Find two angles such that angles are supplementary and the larger is twice the smaller. So let smaller is equals to x and let larger is equals to 2x since the larger is twice the smaller. So add lang natin na siya, smaller plus larger. But the thing is, the supplementary angles is equals to 180. X plus 2x is equals to 180 degrees. So, ako lang siya i-simplify. So, x plus 2x is equals to 3x is equals to 180. Divide both sides by 3. Kasi makuha nga 60. So, mo ni siya angles sa smaller. X is equals to 60. Pakita na ko sa larger. So, subject ko na to ang 60 sa 2x nga nga equation. So, 2 times 60 is equals to 180 degrees. Mo ni siya angles sa larger. So, which is 60 and 120. Nasa choices is 60 degrees and 120 degrees.